polskich koncertach jestem już doświadczony, ale moi drodzy, nie byłem pewny, czy uda mi się wbić na barierkę na Rolling Cloudzie, ale udało się. Także mam super ujęcie z bliska, zapraszam was do oglądania. Pamiętajcie o zostawieniu suba z dzwoneczkiem i elo. Siema moi drodzy, właśnie lecimy na pierwszy dzień festiwalu, mega się jaram. Będzie m.in. Jack Harlow, największy crusher, no ale też innych paru wykonawców, którym się mega jaram, jak Remur, Don Oliver czy J. Cole. Także sprawdzajcie, bo na pewno z tego vlogi też będą. A teraz was zapraszam na vloga z Jacka Harlowa.
Portugal, I go by the name of DJ Drama. Can I have your attention, please? Make some motherfucking noise if you're ready for Jack Harlow.
About being this scene, bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in a house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. My white boys, but they don't go and talk things. Fuck everything that you say about me. My dogs like to play mad in the 2K, but one thing they don't do is play about me. My homeboy Tyler, he playing South Beach. He told me this summer he fixed my jumper. I told boy Wonder we might get a thumper. I've been trying to pop, now I'm on like Shumper. Now they on my bumper, green room chock full of all my comforts. Hotel room like heaven on earth, got angels in my bed with some all white covers. Ace Pro, Nemo, Lucci, Kiso, Snoop, Play, Tufo, and I got a few more I call my brothers. I got a lot of flows and they all like. Portugal, what the fuck is up, man? Right? Right side, how we feeling? How we feeling, right side? Alright, I got a question. I just want to ask right now. Can we have a fucking party or what? Let's go. I wanna see some. I wanna bring my ass. Just send me another one, baby. I wanna see some ass screaming. I wanna see some ass. Baby, can you do it like that? From the front to the back. She said I don't wanna move too fast. Until she hit that some ass. Baby, can you do it like that? Front to the back. She said I don't wanna move too fast. Until she hit that gas. Some rock in the pump pass. Now the whole squad get fucked up fast. I'm just trying to see some. I ain't gotta say it cause I know where we from. I took some money out the ATM, but I'm gonna keep some. Strip club, free club. For the liquor, pay love with a stripper. I'm into it where she from. Can we get into some new shit? Let's go. Young Harley, y'all grew up shooting RPGs. I was in the 7th grade selling hard CDs. I was on stage, talent show, heart beating. Now I make it sound like I write the bars easy, but I'm 10 years in. It took me 8 to start eating, 6 to start drinking, 9 to give it up. Now the bottles in my section mark Fiji. And it's hard to find some girls that aren't freaky. The pressure keeps building, but luckily I'm built for it. Trying to turn these money trees to a little forest. It used to feel forest, now I got to feel for it. I know you want to see me, but I'm still torn. Used to be on Norris back when Twiggy was a chorus. Rockin' 990s, not Jordans. You can find my name beside Smooth and the Thesaurus. I don't drink tequila, but for you I still.
Oh, that's pimpin' right there.
Right side, hands up.
Dropping leaves, dripping honey on butterflies. Imagine that. Hey Jack, I mean Mac.
Let me hear you. Hands up.
Believe that.
Hey. This can't just be luck. It's the reason all this shit be going how it does. I ain't trying to hear about the past and what it was. Be just us. Am I fancy enough? Am I dancing enough? Am I handsome enough? Tell me right now. Let's go. My nail tech knows how to keep a little secret. I don't wish for my success, I'm speaking. I caught a buzz, you did too, you tweaking. I look like I've been getting money, how reeking. You smell me, that's LV. Walk around with my chest out of my skin smooth, I'm healthy. I'm in a mix and I'm handshaking, but most of y'all can't help me. Most of y'all ain't wealthy. Most of y'all just dressed like it. I caught the vibe that y'all giving off, and I'm trying to make myself less like it. This chick got a little Porsche body. Might let the bro test drive it. Hard for me to get excited. I love music and stress about it. My city on it, I'm co-signing this wave coming up next on it. Ride in the shotgun, I heard Tesla. Hanging both of my legs out of like, what's up? I got steaks sitting too hot now, I can't fuck up. I like girls that's down to earth, so don't be stuck up. I don't take L's, I give them out and I chuck them up. First listen, they hearing this shit like, what the fuck? What? 10 toes, that's my MO. Fam over gram, that's my MO. Fucking close friends, I got friends that I keep close and they let it go while I reload. Like, TSA just open my boot bag, open my chain, hit like. All my ladies, I need hands up in here. Let me see my ladies, where you at? I already got a song for my main chick. Let me do a record for my side piece. Let me do a record for my side piece. Let me do a record for my side piece. Hey, I need you beside me. Late night girl, you know where to find me. Days low, bitch, introduce you to the family. Days low, bitch, introduce you to the family. Back when I was a young man, I like them girls that was in the Abercrombie. Days low, bitch, introduce you to the family. I need something besides the inside of these hotel rooms and lobbies. Maybe I should pick up a hobby. More like probably, more like Margot Robbie. Abu Dhabi and they dressing all white. Oh, y'all must be feeling godly. I call my pops and he let his son talk like Bobby. Walking through Argentina, the police stopped me. Told me go home and somebody gon' bribe me. Said we in the slugs where they smurder like Bobby. I guess these earrings too gaudy, and these clothes fit a little perfect on my body. You know where to find me. Days low, introduce you to the family. Days low, introduce you to the family. Let's go. Someone you say you could be us. Nothing, you know my city like a new career. Buzzing, all these discussions over who can see Her friend replied, okay, what you do? And quick question, I said, where you dance at? She said, Blue Flame, this should be jam-packed. I said, damn back, so where y'all mans at? They said, what's that? Smiled at each other and they both laughed. I don't need a man, she might. We got something not a lot of others have. And I feel like I know it from the past. I mean, at this point, we're like lesbians. Just saying, came in with a reference. 2 girls with him told me he ain't got a reference. Said I'm both down and asked a few questions. And last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. And last week and they already best friends. And last week and they already best friends. What you studying? Education? That's where you think you funny, huh? So what about you? Her friend replied, okay, what you do? And quick question, I said, hell nah. Where you dance at? She said, that should be. I said, so where y'all? They said, smiled at each other and they, I don't need a man, she my other half. We got something not a lot of others have. And I feel like I know it from the past. I mean, at this point, we're like lesbians. And then they had another laugh. Portugal, make some noise. I'm talking about the icon, Lil Nas X. Does Portugal have any love? Can we do the biggest song of last year right now, please? Let's go. Know that I'm nasty. I sent it back to her boyfriend with my hand put on her. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get. OG so proud of me. He talking up while we making toast. I'm the type that you pay the trolls. Said I would, and I made it. I don't clear up rumors. I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my haters to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon, but just like Oprah. Mine is coming. I'm just a late bloomer. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like that. I told you not to go on the road. I got what you're waiting for. You fall for nothing, dog. Get your soul. Just tell them where you laying low. What? You was never really running from me anyway. What's poppin'? Brand new witness hunting. Those got that free smoke on the West Coast, yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, and she do hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. Ooh. She heard my deep stroke, she said, babe, this is hate when I deep throat. It does, certified free code, hang around us, so she learning my lingo. Back then, was a worry about me though, in the gym trying to work on my freak though. Goddamn, spending money in the club like Sam's, cha-ching, yes ma'am. She a little freak on cam, she don't put this on the ground. Little boy shot this on the ground. Switch on a bam, shit hot, hit the switch on a back. This where my head is. I represent from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged with sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing a stretcher. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never can stare at reflection. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved and it's very depressing. I'm in the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing the section. Got a chance to present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scam session. Ooh. I like to call it a passion. I can't be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed. I'm digging her action. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it on fashion. That's why I type of distraction. That's why I type of she laugh. Come on, bro, I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they sad. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My sweat they keep checking. What's poppin'? I got options, I can pass that bitch like sliding. I want to tell you one more thing. I've been a Northern, sexy. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Let me hear you right side. to it. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what Friday you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice, I get a sweet. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Trying to understand this, that rethinking. You don't need G-Bone as I am. Okay, I'll come as I am. Go ahead and get under as I am. Okay, cool, you know what I am. About to slide, okay, I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides. Except for the lack of time I get around my family. Making sure they never downsize. I got visions in my mind saying, wait, this house mine. Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got them on a bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, bitch, one more time, like I've been